Hi, I'm Nirmal, and today we discuss about the job design. So, job design is a research and analysis of a job in uh, consultations with peers, managers, and managements to compile the entire job data and outline the duties, responsibilities, academic and professional qualification skill, and expertise required to perform a particular job. The study and research were conducted to determine that job design plays an important role to understand the complexity of the job and its implications on individual employees, and also plays an important role in performance management. The job design helps to reduce job work stress and risks of health, safety, and occupational injuries of the employees, ensure job satisfaction, better productivity, and performance of the workers, and ultimate meet organizational goals and objectives. What is job design? Now we discuss about this. We all know the importance of role clarity for an employee. Without role clarity, the responsibilities and duties may clash, and this can lead the great in the organizations. To avoid such a problem and to create a peaceful organizational culture, job design is done, which can also be understood as part of the job analysis. It is a core functions of human resource management, where the onus for preparing it is on the HR department of human resource management department of the company. Generally, the aim of the job design is considered to improve job satisfactions. The nature of the job is a factor that contributes majorly to employee satisfaction. So now discuss about the job design meaning and its definitions. So job design, as the name suggests, means designing for an employee in such a way that eliminates all the negative aspects of his or her job. In such a scenario, they need to adjust themselves to the new job design. This become imperative for the people who are bored with their job, who need some challenge in their work, who are tired of carrying out their monotonous job every day. For those who have low satisfactions with their job and who are looking for a change instead of compiling there to change their job. Job design is a win-win solutions for both employees and the company. The organizations will not have to go through the attritions to lose their great talents, whereas the great employees of the company will have a challenging and different job from their routine one. Job design definitions by eminent authors and experts. Job design entails defines the contents, duties, objectives, and connections necessary to meet the role's expectations. A well designed job may foster good behaviors and provide a solid foundations for employee success. Thus, it's a crucial requirement for workplace motivations. There are various authors have defined job design in its own way. Find and definitions given some of the eminent authors and experts. So Michael Armstrong's, according to him, job design is defined as the specifications of methods, relationships, and content related to the job, that is to fulfill the organizations and technological requirement along with the social and individual requirement of the employee. Another definitions given by Ali and Arosia 2020 is job designs can be understood as the functions of arranging duties, tasks, and responsibilities are to an organizational unit or work. What is job design in HRM? Human resource management. Job design is in HRM can be understood as the process through which the job process is defined, the work of the group is organized, which involves structuring the workplace on the basis of the job analysis. So in the job design, HR also have to take into considerations the whole organization's goal so that the individual and group goal is aligned in such a way that the organization's goal is achieved. Job design process in HRM. Job design is the process of creating comparable occupations that provide sufficient information about the tasks to be done as well as the skills, knowledge and credentials needed to perform the job more effectively and successfully. It establishes the internal and external incentive framework for the activity. The given below points play a very important role throughout the job design process. Job have a set of goals in mind for job execute tasks requiring a wide variety of knowledge and abilities, make a substantial contributions to the organization's overall functions that can be easily expressed to the employees, combine a number of the different jobs to make a unified job role. In the job design process determines the position's holder occupational health and safety as well as his or her general well-being, provide possibilities for problem solving, adequate development progress, and a suitable level of challenges, permit sufficient latitude and decisions making authority to the job performer, ensures optimum utilizations of the job holders' current skills and abilities, unless a specific job requires it, maintain impartially when it comes to preconceptional about sex, ethnicity, or other potentially discriminatory characteristics. Include work arrangement that accommodate a wide range of subject matter, work pace and style expertise and training. Ascertain that the work is generated in a manner that is directly related to the organizational needs. Check to see if it's well designed or not. Improve your chance of learning new skills that will help you advance in your career, obtain physical and social integration in the workplace with other occupations and employees. Job design steps. Now we discuss about this. While planning the job design, you have to keep in mind the following steps to have the successful job design implemented. Steps in job design: job informations, job analysis, job develop the plan, implementations. Job informations. HR needs to have the information about the job being performed by the employee. It not only helps the evaluations of the compensation designed for an employee, but also gives the role clarity. Information that is not true may lead to disparities between the plan and its executions and then the evaluation. So it is important to have the proper documentation work about the role and duties be done on time and should be communicated properly to the employees. What all informations to have? Specific tasks, areas of responsibilities and examples of working being carried out, the fundamental purpose of the job to be done, time spent on each task or specific areas of responsibility to be done, importance of each element in the job and its relationships or ratio to the total operations of the job, scope of the job and its impact on the operations, working relationships with the other players like managers, team members, customers, methods, techniques and equipment that are used, job climate that includes the work environment. What are the job conditions like discomfort, chasing, deadlines, creativity and innovations, physical efforts and innovations. Job analysis. The next is to analyze all informations collected and the HR has to pick out the imperative and important aspects of the job that is required to be done and the responsibilities that has to be carried out in the job. For HR, the job analysis, it is better for them to have a line manager specific to their domain to be a part of the process for better accuracy. Not only do the duties and responsibilities of the job have to be kept in mind, but HR also needs to see how the employees are feeling about the job. This can be done through a direct interview or through circulating a questionnaire so that the job designs can be planned accordingly. Develop the job design plan for the employees on the basis of the information analyzed about the job and about how the employees feels about his or her job, to check if there is any sign of discomfort or dissatisfactions regarding their job. When you have evaluated these informations, you need to see which method of job design you have to apply for the employees. There are various job design methods which are explained below in right now. Implementations: after deciding on the job design methods to be rolled out, HR needs to implement it in a successful way where the goal of the individuals and the company are in alignment. And you also need to guide the employees at every step about their role and responsibilities and why it will be beneficial for them to carry out the actions for a particular job design method. Job design methods and techniques: there are broadly 4 types of job design methods and techniques that are used to bring some change in the job structure for an employee. Find below these methods and techniques of the job design. So job rotation. Job rotation is the lateral shifts of the job role or positions. It happens between the job levels and it cannot be mistakenly considered a promotions, as it does not help the person to move up the ladder of his or her career. It is done on a temporary basis where employees are moved back to their previous job after a stipulated time. It has many benefits like learning, flexibility, employees replacement. So learning: when the employee are getting the opportunity to carry out a new role, they will definitely get to learn one or the other things. It becomes a great way to transfer knowledge, skills and competencies that lead to human capital accumulations. Flexibilities: in a situations there where more employees involved in job responsibility, and then employees get more flexibility in performing the job role. Employees replacement: this technique saves the organizations from the loss that it would be borne when any of the employees suddenly leaves the rotations. Employee in that role can help the organizations for an immediate period. Here the job rotation methods become the savior. Job enlargement. Job enlargement, as the name suggests, is about adding more responsibility or activities in the same job to the employees. This means that employees will do different activities in the job. That eliminates the boredom that the employees was going through, and it also eliminated the monotonous work of the employee. The benefits that the employees' organizations can yield from job enlargement are: earn a higher wages. Employees can earn higher wages after getting more responsibilities adding to their role. Give more autonomy. Along with autonomy comes accountability and responsibility. As the person is now handling more responsibility, they are given autonomy to do their job and they are more accountable for the results that they are extracting. Career growth: when additional responsibility is given to the employees, they are also given the training so that they carry out the duties and responsibilities successfully. This helps the employees in learning new skills that can help their future career. When employees realize that the organization is considered their individual growth, then there is less attrition rate in the country, leading to the benefit of the organizations. Job enrichment: this is the method where the motivators are added to the existing job, like adding skills, variety, extra tasks giving feedback, meaning to the job, and increasing autonomy. Through these methods, the job is made more meaningful for the employees. If you are getting confused between enlargement and job enrichment, there is the difference. Enlargement makes the job more motivating by broadening the job of the employees, whereas the job enrichment is when we are adding motivators to the existing job of the employee. Benefits for job enrichment are increased satisfaction. When the meaning of the job is enriched, then the employee is more satisfied with the job as the intensity and scope of the work has been increased. Employees feel happier with the job. Better physiological state to lead to the increased meaningfulness for the work, which lead to high quality results for employees and increased employee experiences. Job simplifications, it is the process where a few tasks are removed from the job to make the job more focused on the main job. The aim behind this method is to initiate the improved work method, and that can maximize the output along with minimizing expenses and cost. So make employee more focused. When the extra work is removed, employee is left with important and output driven work, which brings more profit and minimizing the cost of the employees. Till now, you have to got a lot of information about job design. What is job design? Definitions. What are the steps of the plan designs, and what are the methods of the job designs? So importance of the benefits of the job design. Job design is an important and crucial part of human resource management. It has a direct impact on the productivity and efficiency of the organizations. It also contributes significantly to the enhancement of working conditions. So increased job satisfactions. Job design is an imperative part of the organizational operations. Eliminate on the job fatigue. It helps reducing job dissatisfactions with jobs comes out results of the monotonous role of the employee. Reducing the on the job fatigue that employees is going through. Improve the quality of the work. Provide meaning to work. Provide challenging work. Increased output and decreased cost. Decrease attrition rate. So this is the to better understand this theory of motivations, human resource needs to understand the job characteristics, and HR can also communicate with these elements to managers and employees so that they can work on individual level. So that's for my videos, and my humble request is, if you like my MBA channel, please subscribe my channel. I need your help. Thanks for your time for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.